Good morning. For the month of July 2026 BMC video, I like to give the contribution regarding local pathfinder. In connection, the local pathfinder, what are the various key parameters involved? Here, what is the difficulty faced by of the local people in terms of supplying or maybe of finding the address? And already we know it in terms of the practical issues. What happened to deliver a product either of Amazon or maybe a Flipkart or anything, as we mapped with the Gmap. But the information given by the local peoples are very important. What are the leverages of the ecosystem? In connection with the leverage of the ecosystem regarding of a local pathfinder, we need to gather the information from other local people. So it give us an effective in terms of the various location, cut routes and etc. What are the key activities? The key activities involved to manage it quite simple. We need to give optimized and customized and an effective what a pathfinder for either for the local residents and also the unknown peoples are getting into this area. They need to find out the things very. What are the key resources? The key resources in the sense what happened to have a local pathfinder, we had the connection with the local people regarding of the various cuts and identity in terms of the bakery, and then followed by a water tank, and followed by grocery shops, a clinic, and then followed by other things. The exact identity, even though the Google map will be giving a take left and right, but at some time what happened, it will be not giving of a correct options. So local pathfinder will be giving of a solutions and also optimized and customized solution, the exact location within of a constraint. The value proposition in terms we will be using of a Gmap as a constraint to find out the location with help of GPRS, both of the technical constraint. But what happened, we will be having an idea without the various peoples and then locals, so that the conditions and then the scenario identification will be well known, and then in terms quite simple, the solution will be giving, that is of a local pathfinder, exact location. So it's of an optimized and customized solution. And then partners and competitors. What happened, mainly the delivery persons and followed by a food delivery, and then followed by a local driver will be knowing a number of routes, maybe the cab driver and maybe the local people. So the value proposition they will be giving, but getting of a heavy cost. But our options in terms of the local pathfinder will be giving of an optimized and customized solution within of the maximum and efficient, and then followed by giving of an feasible solution in terms of finding the path at least time, and followed by customer relationship. And also will be having of in terms of the Google map, we will be not having of any of toll free, but our local pathfinder will be having of toll free, so that the concerned user can be callers and getting of the information, and then it will be delivered and also connected to the concerned people, and then all the data sets regarding of the various locality connections will be given, so that the user using of the app will be not getting into of the any conditions, but what to say, whether it will be reaching in time or not, so that our local pathfinder in terms of the business in modern canvas will be effective in terms of delivering of the constraint. And channel, what happened in terms of the channel, we will be having of a number of traditional method in terms of populating our local pathfinder, but we will be using of presently we are in the digital age, so we will be using of all of the various various digital marketing, Facebook and the link and the local things, and also by means of the local public, also by means of the local channels we can promote, and then everyone will be getting like to a quicker app, and then followed by where Zomato and etc. The local will be also having its own popularity, so the local pathfinder will be giving. And then customer and then segment, already in terms of the customer segment, quite simple, will be getting into will be having a dashboard and various queries and then etc. After getting of the things, there will be have the ideas to give their own feedback, so that we will be having of the revenge similar to the various trial version, like of a meta version, alpha version of a WhatsApp. It will be of the various versions are getting similar to an Android. Depending upon the customer feedback, we need to get in. And cost structure, more or less in terms of the cost structure, they need to install the app and the news, and then also what happened, depending of their traffic rate, we will be getting of an condition, we will be getting of a benefit. Revenue system, depending upon the number of users, will be getting to the what to say, the profit. Finally, in terms of the local path finder, the transaction, subscription and followed by commerce. In terms of a transcription and subscription and commerce, what happened, transaction more or less it will be used by of the, when the app is very fine, it will be already used, and then subscription will be depending upon the satisfaction we will be getting of the subscription. And commerce in the sense what happened, whether we'll be getting in terms of financial revenue or okay or not. So our local path finder will be of a not competitor of any of the technology, but we will be facing of the what are the difficulties in terms of finding a route. For an example, I need to go of a highly populated city like Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, and then followed by of Mumbai to a T Nagar in some location. Maybe have a B373 or 30 some other location that go colony. But I could not get out the exact things because I need to have the things. So this will be giving so in the today of the July month, the local path finder of the BMNC video will be of an very effective for of the end user. So it will be implemented and will be overcome the issue. Thank you.